Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a try-on haul. A lot of my friends on Facebook and Instagram asked me to do one of these, and I ordered a few things off of Prettylittlething, so I figured why not try them on and show you guys what I got. So the packaging looks like this. I already opened it, so there's a big hole in it. Shipping was kind of annoying. Well, I ordered it and then 2 days later they shipped it, but since they're in the UK and I'm in Canada, it took around 7 business days, so it was like almost 2 weeks. So that's the only thing to keep in mind if you are going to order from them and you do live in Canada. When I was in the States, I ordered a few things from them too, but I got the express shipping and it only took 2 days, so that was really good. So if you're planning on wanting to wear one of these outfits right away, you can do express because regular shipping is kind of a while. So when I ordered, they were having a 30% off sale. So all of the prices that I'm going to be telling you guys are the sale price. I'm not sure how I'm going to edit this or even really film it. I just wanted to sit down and show you guys what I got, and then I'll add in the try on part. I don't know if I'll do it at the end or as I do show each item, but we're figuring this out together as we go. And for this package, shipping was $10, and that's pretty standard for most online companies. So let's get on to the fun part. So the first thing I got is a black kimono wrap top, and this wrap top was $17.50.
So this shirt fits me pretty well. I feel like I could have gotten a size down as it's a bit big, but it's pretty. I like it for summer. It's a bit heavy though, so that's why I paired it with some cycle shorts. I don't know if this is what I would wear it with, but just so you guys have an idea. I think they had a red color of this shirt also.
And then I got these pale khaki basic cycle shorts. These are in a size 12, so hopefully they fit. They kind of look like they're going to be see-through. I think it will be fine though, as long as I wear a longer shirt to cover my butt. But I'll just have to wait and see. And those cost $5.60.
So like I expected, these shorts are see-through, and they put the tag right in the butt crack so you can actually see it. When I tried it on, the shirt didn't cover it completely, as you can see here, but I am gonna cut the tag out, so that might help. And you're gonna have to wear a thong, otherwise you're gonna see your panties through it. And I realized I was kind of filming my shirt more than the pants, but this top is from Zara.
The next item I got is the black paper bag skinny trousers, and they were also $17.50. The material is lighter than I expected. I hope it's not see-through. And they have that paper bag waistline, so I'm really excited to try those out. So the next thing I got is called the green floral wrap bodysuit, and this one was $21. So it looks like this. It's kind of hard to tell just holding it up, so that's why I'm going to add on the try-on part.
So these pants are my new obsession. They're so cute. I love this tie. You tie the waist and then it gives you that paper bag frilliness at the top. And I paired it with the top that I got from Prettylittlething. Also, super cute. I'm obsessed with these pants. They're a tiny bit see-through. You could see the thong part of the bodysuit through it. So you might have to wear black panties so you can't see through them. And this was kind of hard to record because my camera wasn't backed up enough, but I did try to show you guys how the bottoms look. They're kind of capris on me because I'm 5'8", and they're skinny bottoms. I know Prettylittlething sells pants similar to this that have the wide leg bottoms as well. And the top is super pretty. I love the color. It's so summery. I did have to wear no bra because I feel like you'd be able to see it. So if that bothers you, you might not want to get this shirt. You could probably pin it though if you did want to wear a bra with it.
So that concludes my try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below telling me what item you loved the most. And I'll definitely be doing another one of these. I have a package coming from Fashion Nova, so I would love to share with you dolls what I get from there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.